Morning everyone, Dan is home and the first thing we are doing today is going baler spotting and chaser spotting. No, we're just going to go see what the boys are up to, baling the first lot of barley straw, so do come with me. We're going to go see the big BALE Transtacker in action and the two krone 120 by 90 big balers out in the fields together, and that is some sight.
Fly us out of Nashville.
Everyone's cutting rape. That's Dyson, isn't it? Let me introduce you to this concept. We've got the JCB Fast Track with the big BALE Transtacker on the back. This is what we use to collect up all of our bales. Evan here driving it is running behind two big BALE krone balers that produce half-ton bales, and they can bale at some serious speed. So he has to do a really good job to keep up with them. But here we go. I've got some videos of it in action for you to have a look at. I think they stopped because the moisture might be not quite right. Dan's going to have an inspect right now. Touchy? A little bit. Oh, that is. Yeah, wet. Not ready. Billy driving a baler, Joe driving a baler, obviously Dan, Evan and the chaser. It's just not going to go, it's just a bit too wet unfortunately. Look at them though, they are good. It's reading like 15 on the moisture meter, but luckily we haven't done too many and the other field was fine, but this is just too fresh. Right, we're going to go try some oilseed rape with the baler as well. I'm not, they are. Because this is just too wet, unfortunately. We're having a whole mother's meeting here. Finally got that 8R with the self-inflation tyres on this baler. Look how lovely that view is today. Dan's home. Tractor's ready for grain cart. We're just filling up the Bowser just in case we need it for fire problems throughout this season, considering how hot it is. We're getting our fire extinguishers out. Oh, it's all come to reality how hot it is, with a few farmers, not kind of local but in the areas, having fires and fields just going up. We're just getting prepared, ready for harvest. We're getting one to the header. We've already got one on the combine and all the tractors. Yeah, I think that'll be the best idea. But it's just best to have two near the combine just in case. The header trailer is always with the combine, so just in case. Okay, so now we're hopefully not going to get a fire, and we've got all the fire extinguishers on. We have a battery camera that goes on the back of the baler, so the baler driver can see when the bales are coming out. But it's on a battery pack, and the battery pack's in the office, so I'm going to get Billy's office keys. But it's quite a... There's Joe. He's driving the baler. It's quite a good idea because it's not needed all the time on there, and you can just put it on charge every night. And it's not a permanent structure. It literally just sticks on. It's magnetic. Trailers, Richies. I am sweating so badly that my sunglasses are running off my eyes. I'm hoping that this is finished by now. I feel like it's been over half an hour. So it definitely should be finished, but it isn't leaking out the roof quite yet. Let's go and have a little look. Just parking up all the equipment for this evening. It looks like it's a no-go show today. It's a no-show. So, anyways, Ben's having a bit of trouble getting the Bowser off. I don't know what's wrong with this pickup hitch on the 250. It's just a little bit rubbish at the moment. Anyways, let's go and see what we can do. I'm not sure I'll be any better, but I'm going to try anyways. But yeah, that's probably about it for today, because there's nothing we can do anymore. We're getting combining tomorrow, which will be really exciting, so don't forget to check in for that. I did it! Straight away! Oh dear. There's the back. So not a lot of difference there. I think I'm going to brave it to the cab because I can open the door. Right, here we go. Oh, new seat. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Okay. We got the Command Pro. Oh, we got the new Gen 5 screens. 1, 2, 3. This is where the CB goes. We got Apple CarPlay. They put the CB there though. The new leather steering wheel, but that's quite common. We got the fridge. God, this is lovely. Our heating, our cooling, our massaging. I like setting 2. What a lovely tractor. Oh, this is new as well. Oh. Oh, and this. The same. Lovely. Oh, what have we got here? Guardrail. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go and get an other 8R, which is over there, and we'll show you the difference. So pretty much the same outside. On the other one, we still got those wing mirrors. Still got the same lights. We've put air horns on ours though. Right, let's go and have a look. Same wing mirrors, same lights, same patterns, same design. Oh, it is a signature edition. First thing I notice, oh, the seat is the same. It's just dirty. For some reason I thought it was different. Anyways, the biggest difference is this. The screens. We got 1, 2. We got a longer one there instead of having the 1, 2, 3 smaller one. We have one up here that we've put in ourselves. We still do have Apple CarPlay. We don't have this bit along here. It is like that though, so that is the same. My apologies. Fridge, still the same. Steering wheel and everything's still the same. So it's pretty similar, but it's just got the Gen 5 screens in with a few minor adaptations here. Still the same place for the CB, etc. Nice.